Agentic AI is a new concept introduced in 2024 and popularized in 2025. The definition of this term has evolved over time but typically refers to AI partners that autonomously plan, execute, and complete complex tasks. Organizations have been adopting agentic AI workflows to transform their technology platforms, enhancing marketing automation, customer services, and workplace productivity, resulting in 20 to 30% faster workflow cycles. What makes agentic AI different from traditional automation is its autonomy in planning actions while pursuing specific objectives, with less rigid orchestration of intermediate steps. Several Python frameworks have emerged to facilitate agentic AI development, including the well-established LangChain and Llama Index, as well as the more recently popularized CrewAI due to its simplicity. In this video, we'll explore how to build your own AI agent system using CrewAI framework, which focuses on role-based multi-agent collaboration rather than complex agent architectures. Comment below which agentic framework you are familiar with or you'd like me to cover in the next video. Think of CrewAI like assembling a cross-functional team where each AI agent has a specific role handling related tasks, equipped with tools to complete their work. Let's build a social media marketing multi-agent system that is capable of generating blog posts based on the user's topic of interest and creating tailored campaign messages for sharing on different social media platforms. Our crew has 3 agents: market researcher, content creator, and marketing specialist. The market researcher is equipped with the web search tool, while the marketing specialist uses the SEO keyword tool to find top searched keywords. These agents can execute 4 types of tasks. Market researcher can research market trends on the given topic and content creator can write an engaging blog post, while the marketing specialist is assigned to refining the blog post for optimal SEO performance and distributing the blog post using platform-specific messages for each social media channel. To build this agentic AI system, we will follow the steps of setting up the project environment, developing tools, creating agents and tasks, then orchestrating them together as a crew and executing the workflow. First, install CrewAI libraries and set up environment variables such as OpenAI API key. We use the following directory structure for this project. The crew.py script is where we define the agents and tasks, and the tool subfolder contains the custom tool definition. The first tool we add to the crew is the website search tool, a built-in tool implemented by CrewAI for conducting semantic searches within the content of websites, and we can simply import it from CrewAI tools. This tool is accessible by the market researcher agent to find latest market trends or industry news related to a given topic. Then we'll create a custom keyword tool in the keywordtool.py script, by inheriting from the base tool class and using the SERP API for accessing Google Trend data. We implement the run method to call the API and output the top searched and trending queries related to the input keyword. This keyword tool is accessible by the marketing specialist agent to investigate trending keywords and refine the blog post for search engine optimization. Before defining the agents and tasks, we need to create a social media crew class using the crew base decorator in the crew.py script. The topic attribute passes the user's input about their topic of interest, and the LLM attribute specifies using GPT-4 as the default model used throughout the workflow. Next, we'll define our agents. CrewAI agents rely on 3 essential parameters: role, goal, and backstory. These parameters define their characteristics as well as the context they are operating in. Additionally, we provide agents with relevant tools to facilitate their jobs and other parameters to control the resource consumption of the agent calling, for example to avoid extra LLM token usage. Here we define the marketing specialist agent with the agent decorator. Then we define the role as marketing specialist and provide access to the keyword tool we previously developed, so that the marketing specialist can research the trending keywords to refine the blog contents for optimal SEO performance. Setting verbose to true allows us to utilize CrewAI's traceability functionality to observe intermediate output throughout the agent calling. Here we can observe the thought process of marketing specialist using keyword tool to research YouTube trends related search queries, as well as the SEO optimized blog post based on the tool use. Similarly, we create the content creator and marketing specialist agents. Visit our GitHub repository for the full code of other agent definitions. If an agent is considered as the employee specializing in a domain like content creation or research, embodied with a persona or characteristics, then tasks are the actions that the employee performs with predefined objectives and output expectations. In CrewAI, a task is configured using description and expected output. You can also use the optional parameter output file to save the intermediate output as a file. In this code snippet, we provide precise instructions for the crew to carry out 4 tasks and assign them to agents with relevant skill sets. The first task is research. This is assigned to the market researcher to investigate the market trend of the given topic. The second task is write, where the content creator writes an engaging blog post. The refine and distribute tasks are then assigned to the marketing specialist. The specialist refines the blog post for optimal SEO performance and generates platform-specific messages for distribution on each social media channel. Lastly, we orchestrate tasks, agents, and tools together to define the crew. In the main.py, we instantiate a social media crew object and run it by accepting the user's input for their topic of interest. Now let's use Agentic AI as an example, and here are output files generated by our social media crew after sequentially executing the tasks. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Look forward to see you in the next one.